The age of wood can be read by counting its rings. Jack Group has over 100 years of wood. Jack Group, doors, veneers, furniture, HDF, MDF, fiber cement boards and more. Over 100 years, following the blueprints of nature's form, color and textures, we have taken wood to the next level. Now, we welcome you to a presentation where you can have a glimpse of our over 100-year legacy and our innovative product range. The Jack Group is a sixth-generation business house from the Thamarapalli family. With a history of over 100 years in wood, the group is the result of the dedication and hard work of this enterprising family, engaged in timber-related business for over a century. A public limited company floated in 1904 by Thiru Kuruvala Kochuthoman, diversified into manufacturing and trading in 1958 under the dynamic and visionary leadership of our founder, Thamarapalli Kochuthoman Jacob, or TK Jacob as he was fondly called.
1979-80 ആയപ്പം ജാക്സൺ വെനിയർ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തു. യൂറോപ്പിലും അമേരിക്കയിലും ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന അതേ പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഫെസിലിറ്റീസ് ഇവിടെ വിത്ത് ഓൾ മോഡേൺ എക്യുപ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് അമേരിക്കയിൽ നിന്നും യൂറോപ്യൻ ഇമ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തുള്ള എക്യുപ്മെൻറ്റ്സുമായിട്ട് അവർ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന അതേ പ്രോസസ്സ് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ആരംഭിച്ചു.
With its focus on wood innovation, the Jack Group has pioneered the designing and production of various wood-related value-added products. Here's the unmatched track record. Jack Group, the pioneers in manufacturing and exporting decorative veneers in India. Jack Veneer, the pioneer manufacturer of group-matched decorative plywood in India. Jack Fern introduced the concept of knockdown modular furniture in India in the early 80s. Jack Teak, one of the pioneers in rubber wood processing in India. Jack Door pioneered the concept of lightweight eco-friendly doors in India. And now, the very latest from the Jack Group, the pre-hung door, the complete door solution, the first of its kind in India. A design can never go wrong when nature is the inspiration. In looks, feel and sheer beauty, a few home decors remind you of nature's perfection. Like the nature-inspired product range from the Jack Group, nature also demonstrates the highest level of sustainability in a very elegant way. A fact that is aptly reflected in the enduring quality and durability of the Jack Group range of products. Wood is the group's core strength, and all its efforts are dedicated to develop and manufacture a wide spectrum of innovative value-added products, strictly adhering the stringent environmental practices. The Jack Group is a multi-product organization, primarily catering to the interior decoration and building industry. Jack Group offers a complete range of interior products for the building industry, broadly classified into products for interior decoration under the banner Jack Interior Stores, and modular furniture for homes and offices under the banner Jack Fern. At Jack Group, innovation is an enduring habit, the latest milestone being the design, development and manufacturing of fully finished pre-hung doors. This total door solution, the first of its kind in India, includes engineered door frames or door jambs along with matching door panels and architraves. The strength and durability of the premium lightweight doors from Jack Doors is ensured by the unique lignocellulosic cold filling, the same technology that goes into the manufacturing of modern aircrafts, and flaxboard and extruded saline cold filling from Europe, renowned for its solid construction and eco-friendly qualities. Jack Veneer, the pioneers of sliced veneers in India, has an incredibly wide range of exotic natural wood veneers, rolls and curls in over 75 species from around the world, ensuring total harmony in each shade and grain of wood matching. Jack Veneer also pioneered the concept of group-matched decorative plywood in India. Ready-to-use clip-on veneered panels for the whole family. Whole ceiling and skirting are innovative products introduced in the veneer front. Jackwood Hardwood MDF is an engineered wood panel made by extracting fiber from tropical hardwoods and bonding them together using the sophisticated continuous pressing technology. Jackwood India is an eco-friendly product and an ideal substitute for plywood and blockboard. The excellent properties of Jackwood Hardwood MDF with regard to repeated screw holding capacity, easy machining, edge cutting, post forming, bonding, and resistance to moisture, fungus, and borer makes Jackwood Hardwood MDF the first choice for all interior decoration applications today. Now, Jack Group has gone one more step ahead with the introduction of veneered MDF, a versatile, ready-to-use product that has revolutionized the furniture manufacturing industry by substantially reducing the production time and enhancing the quality of the finished product. Jackwood processed rubberwood and beechwood sections and boards are a versatile range of high-quality lumber and finger joint boards, which are easy to work with and can be used for a wide variety of high-quality interior applications. The quality and perfection of the furniture from Jack Fern is ensured by the raw materials used. In fact, almost all the raw materials used come from the Jackwood Interior Store collection, manufactured and seasoned in-house. They are checked and controlled in every stage of production for supreme quality. Jack Fern offers trendy kitchens and wardrobes in over 40 different wood species from around the world. A wide range of designer sofa cum beds and bunk beds form part of Jack Fern's space-saving collection. The modular veneered office furniture and workstations under the brand name Sally's offers you an inspiring work environment with the warmth of wood. Associating closely with architects and project managers of leading hotel projects, our project division designs and supplies wood-related products that add to the charm of the hotel's ambience, especially its interiors. To conceptualize, design, and manufacture new products catering to the emerging international trends, wholeheartedly adhering to eco-friendly practices, our team keeps interacting with leading international players in this sector, which includes its esteemed buyers and suppliers. For over a century, we built on our core strengths, and today, the company is the market leader in terms of innovation, value addition, and quality in all the products it manufactures and trades in. Little wonder that today, the Jack Group is the first preference of architects and interior designers throughout India and in select markets across the globe.